What's up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing and review of the Otis Technologies All-Caliber Elite Gun Range Cleaning Kit. So here is the Otis All-Caliber Elite Range Gun Cleaning Kit. I've already opened it up. This is how you'll get it. I opened it up because I just wanted to make sure it does ship with some liquids inside of it. I just wanted to make sure nothing leaked inside. How it comes with a zip tie to keep the lid on tight. All I did was cut the zip tie and make sure I had no leaks in it and checked it out a little bit. But this is how you'll get it. And what's cool about this is that you'll have it's a two-part compartment. On the first part, you have these latches here, which you undo, and as you open it, you'll have, this is how my kit came. It came with some CLP oil by Otis, and it also came with this FP10 gun cleaning oil, or gun oil. So that's how your kit will come as of right now. So when I opened it, and I'll put this off to the side a little bit, it also has these removable trays, as you see here. And underneath the one side of the tray, it came with these 3 cleaning brushes, which I'll put them right here for now. It came with like an all-weather firearm grease syringe. And you also get an Otis Smart Gun Case Care sticker. So when you first get your case, what confused me was when I got this, I opened it up and I'm looking for the stuff underneath here, and I'm trying to get this top off, not realizing that the top is actually separate from the bottom. So then I found these latches here on the side, which I'll just close this back up. I found these latches here on the side, and you just undo these latches on both sides. And then what happens is that you're able to lift the top of your case off, which I thought was real cool. And then upon lifting the top of the case off, I found the rest of the supplies that they send you. So let me put this back together a little bit here so I can spread out the things that we'll get, and we're going to open them up and see what comes in the case. So I'll just put that back there, this over here. You get the oil, the grease gun, and I'll just lay this like that. Throw the sticker back in there, my cleaning brushes, and here's the CLP oil, which, as you can tell, that it shipped and it didn't leak. So then what they also send you in this kit is some cleaning patches. These are the 3-inch patches. And then they also send you some 2-inch patches. Put that over there. And then in the first bag, they send you some tube brushes. And here's how it comes like that. And what I've noticed here on the little canisters, as we'll open this up, they're labeled as far as what caliber they are. Now I'll just put this off to the side here. And like this one is this one's number 27, used for rifle and pistol. 22, and as you can see, they're inside these nice little containers, so they're not banging around on each other. Here's number 35. And it tells you here on them what calibers the brushes are good for. Here is number 38. So there must be maybe 38 of these. And these also tell you, this will tell you 370 through 9.3 millimeter. So forth. And this is the one set of brushes and packages. Let me open this up here. Pretty cool. They're nice. And they just go inside this little hole there, inside the top. And all you do is push it back on. They almost remind me of little test tubes. Going to the second package. And this here, we have Ripcords. Or you know what, let's get to that later. Because here's some more tubes here. And, well, here's some more cleaning brushes that they give you. And these are more for your bigger caliber, like this one says for 12 gauge or 20 gauge. This one says rifle and pistol for 44. And what's pretty cool about these too, the end of these tubes also have vent airs so that your brushes could dry out. This is for a 16 gauge shotgun. Here's a 28 gauge shotgun. And I'm just reading off what's the numbers here. This is rifle and pistol 50 through 12.9 millimeter. Here's a 12 gauge shotgun. .410 and so forth. So then we get into this next bag. And on the back of the bag, it'll also have you, it'll say components, and it gives you a part number on the bag. So we are onto our third bag, and it looks like they give you 4 bags in this kit, and inside this bag, it looks like we have a lot of smaller attachments for like your end of your. Here's like a little fine needle, little different tools that you get in this bag. And here's like a brush that you could put on the end of a handle or some sort. Here's like a little scraping tool of some sort. So I will put this back in the box so I don't lose these. And these rods look like these are the rods that they'll just connect to make a handle for these different attachments. What else is in this bag? Here is another sticker. A discount card, and a little instruction manual. Let's see what else they give you here. Looks like another sticker, and also another sticker. Looks like they give you a cleaning cloth, a microfiber gun towel, here's another small bag, of different attachments that go on for like your cleaning pads and stuff like that. They also give you a flag for your chamber, so when you're cleaning it, it'll kind of let you know that there's nothing inside the chamber, and several different attachments Here's a chamber brush. And they give you an assorted amount of ripcords, or various sizes of ripcords. And the reason why I picked up this kit is because we have turkey season coming along right around the future here, or in the near future, and I needed something to clean my guns, a little better kit rather than a kit that I threw together. And it looks like this cord has already an attachment on the end for the pads. And here's a heavier gauge cord, which almost got away from me. But what I'm curious to know, do these, well, it doesn't look like they connect to each other as if you need to make it longer. So that's probably what these other ends are for. And also along within here, the other ends that attach to the end of that so you can pull them. And the last and final bag here is all your bore snakes. It kind of looks like. Yep, different caliber bore snakes, which also have the end so you can attach the handles to it. And I was definitely in the market for a kit that pretty much will cover everything that I have. And this, out of looking at all the kits, this one seemed to have everything. Here's another little bag for precise oiling. Has little needles on oiling needles here, along with the cap and the attachments for that. Here's another bore snake. And this looks like this may be another tool that you get, or part of the kit to pull the bore snakes. I'll have to do a little bit more research on this, and if you guys know what this is, put it in the comments below. But we'll see. Take a guess at what this piece might be. Looks like it has a little tool on the end of some sort. It's metal, has a hole. 2 on one side, 1 on the other. Maybe this will tell you. Yep, this is what it is. This tells you what it is. They call it, I'm not going to tell you, I'm going to let you guys guess, and then I'll comment on your guess. And here is another bore snake. And then what's real cool about this case, or this gun cleaning kit that I like, is that, let me get some of this stuff out of the way here. Is that whether you're at home or on the range, what's pretty neat is that inside the lower area here is that it gives you these blocks to put on here, so this way you could put your gun on it. This looks like this is a block for a mag well, so if you're into AR-15s or something like that, you could put your mag well in here and work on your gun or clean your gun that way. And they also give you these 2 blocks, which also, put this back in here, will go on the end. This way you can lay your rifle across. And if you notice here on this side, there's 2 spots. Whoop. Get this up. There's 2 spots right here. So what I'm wondering is that you could probably take your second block, put it here, and maybe for a pistol, you could put your pistol in there or something like that. I'm not too sure about that. Leave a comment down below. And that's pretty much what you get inside the Otis all caliber range gun cleaning kit. Like I said, I was in the market for something new, and I needed a couple brushes for my shotguns, And it looks like they gave you all the calibers for the shotgun. So if you were to buy this separately, I think you'd be spending a lot more than what this costed. This costed a little under $200 to purchase all of this. And like I said, with turkey season coming up, we needed something to clean our guns, and because we'll be patterning them and stuff like that. And if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that notification bell, because I do have a couple other products coming up here that I'm going to be doing a review on. Well, I hope this video helps you guys out in deciding what you guys need in your gun cleaning kit. I'm just going to incorporate a few more things in here from my previous kits that I've had, and I'll have one good master kit. Well, thanks for watching. So until next time, I'm Joe, driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll it wicked fast.